8 agreements that we are finalizing now, I think 4 or 5 of them are part of the marine research project called CEMENT. It's a consortium of scientific institutes based in Goa, because Goa has a lot of ocean research and marine research institutions, in partnership with a Portuguese scientific entity. They're going to focus only exclusively on marine research. And it's interesting because many years ago, one of the first scientific projects India and Portugal did was in underwater autonomous vehicles, basically deep sea bed research vessels, little things that go down and send back data. And we have one of those models, I think demonstrated even today at the National Institute of Oceanography in Goa. It's called Maya Sagar. And now we are building on Maya Sagar. We are really expanding and deepening this cooperation. Are talking about doing something in the area of waste management. And what has taken off meanwhile is water collaboration. For the first time, we're going to have a project in 2 water treatment plants in Goa, which will be jointly run by PWD Goa and the Public Sector Water Authority of Portugal, called Águas de Portugal, ADP. And this can be a first step to doing much more, for instance, under the Imagine Panaji Smart City project, where we need to replicate this elsewhere, and beyond Goa. So I see this as the starting point of a long journey of mutual collaboration and benefit.
Okay.
Embassy, we have had almost a 200% increase in the number of passport registrations, which is really a conservative estimate, right? Not everybody comes and comes to the embassy for consular services. So going by this figure alone, we see an exponential growth in the number of Indians coming to Portugal to work. And the reason is simple. It's the supply-demand equation. You have a booming tourism industry, for instance, in Portugal, and they need young people to come and work in their hotels. They don't have enough here, and you have English-speaking young Indians who are happy to come and work hard and make a life. Traditionally, it used to be people from Gujarat and Goa who formed the Indian diaspora here. And now you see that ethnic composition changing, with a lot of people from Punjab coming, even from Kerala, for instance, simply because there is work here. In the construction industry, it's the same story. Construction is booming. They don't have enough people to work in these sites, and Indians are filling that gap. So I do think that if we can facilitate this mobility and migration of people, it's the best kind of bridge you can have.